Heading to the storage right now to grab the cart that I always forget to bring. The cart is crucial to the success of the move out procedure. Hi, we're here for the showing.
Sold. You're too late.
We're dressed like going to the beach.
I have a second outfit.
I wore pants today for this. Is it all taken apart yet?
Yep.
Nice.
But we can't move till 3.
I was gonna document us moving out, but this guy's already got it done. You locked it? You locked Will in there?
Voila.
Is Will on here?
I sure am.
Will's dressed like he's going for a photo shoot. We're here at 1202 Uptown One. We are now moving out of this unit because it's been sold. So staging, going back to our storage.
Making sure we didn't leave any goodies behind.
Yeah, no surprises for the buyers.
Right? Everything's clean. We only deliver clean, ready to go property. Okay. That's actually expensive, you know.
That is
These
expensive.
things are like $120.
What?
Yeah, they're very expensive.
Talk about your
I was all prepared for nice videos and pictures, you know? Because Tony always says, dress to impress.
I'm ready to go.
So,
blazer and a tank top.
I'm good. So the sofa, probably the coffee table, hopefully will fit in my car.
building as well, they said like no traction, no offers.
Nothing's
or
offered,
anything
it's
to-
unchanging.
Yeah.
No, it's not. It's rolling. This is valuable content, bro.
Might want to cut that off.
No. So we're gonna fly a drone out to the balcony and grab a sold selfie
I'm flying the
with
drone.
these losers.
I'm the pilot.
Do you
now.
even know how?
No, I don't.
Do you have a license? 48%, 49%. This is happening at lightning speed.
Wow, soft landing.
And there we have it. We did not lose the drone today. We're good. Very nice.
One more.
Yeah, we're good.
I feel like that property manager is just gonna pop out of nowhere.
So here in this building, they have a loading bay, which people can move in and out of, which is awesome. Trucks can back right up to here. And there'll be a William assisting you with your move every time. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Died.
The next challenge, to fit all these boxes in William's luxury vehicle.
Really?
And it fits!
Barely.
What else?
And there's one more lamp.
I will.
Fool!
I'm gonna call 911. Oh, no service!
There we have it. Our move out procedure complete. You guys have to keep me up.